warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa ala First of all, let's pray and thank for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has been giving us mercy and blessing so we can attend in space so that we can travel and protect us. Secondly, let salat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who guided us for the darkness to brightness in the Islamic religion. Okay, so today I want to talk you about the EIGRP authentication. Okay, what is EIGRP authentication? EIGRP support authentication to make sure that routing updates are exchanged only between trusted routers. Without authentication, any device cloud authentically send fake EIGRP updates and disrupt the routing table. With authentication, router fairly each EIGRP package using as share key or password. Only routers with correct key can from neighbor. Okay, for that I want to show you this. For the example, there is K and this K string, and then this like K number, and then this for KJ. Okay. This for the topology, there is three router like before. There is router left, router middle, router, and then there is router right. This for the topology and IP address. Okay, so now I want to show you the configuration. The first, you can delete the first router EIGRP 10, and then delete no passive interface Ethernet 0/0. And then the next, there is you can show IP route, and you can make like this. There is IP3 2 and IP3 this, and then you can show IP route again in the middle route to be like this, and then to like this too. Okay, and then the next, you can make your keychain. You can make in router middle router. You can writing keychain, and then this the name. You can write anyone you want to change. And then this for the K1, and then you can writing K string, and the name, others, and then interface Ethernet 0/0, and then you can add the IP authentication mode EIGRP 10 MD5, and again IP authentication keychain EIGRP 10, and the name before. Okay, and then this for the explain about keychain, and then K and chain. Okay, these two for the explaining, simple explain. And then add to the in the middle router exit, and then keychain. This the name for keychain, and then K 256, and then keychain, and then this the name. And then you can enter the interface Ethernet 0/1, and then IP add IP authentication mode EIGRP 10 MD5, and then IP authentication keychain EIGRP 10. This the name before keychain string. Okay, this for the simple explaining. Then these two, and this you can check in the middle route, that is do debug EIGRP package, and then there is the receive package with MD5 and authentication KID 1, and then 2 receive packets with MD5 authentication KID. So in the left router you can show IP route, yeah, and then to be like this. Okay, and then in the left router you can add again like before. You can add the key chain, this your name, and then K1 and then K string here, and then you can enter the interface Ethernet 0/0 and then IP authentication mode EIGRP 10 MD5 IP authentication K chain EIGRP 10 and then display name. And then again K chain is the name in the router K 20656 and then K chain string is the name, and then you can enter the interface Ethernet 0/0 and then you can add IP address IP authentication mode EIGRP 10 MD5 and then IP authentication K chain EIGRP 10 is for the net. And then this we can writing do show IP route, and then this so many router here IP address, and then you can show IP route in the middle router, and then you can to be like this, and this for the right router do show IP route like this, and then this for K you can K like this, and then you can if you are ready you can save, you can writing copy running config startup config, that is for the save. Okay, and then for the next there is EIGRP Summarization. What is EIGRP Summarization? EIGRP Summarization is the process of the combining several smaller specific routers into one larger summary route when at first teasing then to neighbors. Yeah, that is for the explaining. Okay. So this there is 3 router like before. This the topology same. Yeah, this for the routing table like this. Okay, so you can IP route in the right router to be like this, and then and then you can add the interface Ethernet 0/0, and then you can add IP summary address EIGRP 10, and then this for the IP address in the router right 3.3.3.3.0, and then for the subnet mask you can add, yeah, this for the simple explaining. Yeah, then you can check it in the left router and the middle router. These are the summarization IP address 3. Make a simple routing table. Okay, wait. So here too for the router, middle router. And the next is you can ping 3.3.3.6, and then can ping 3 point. Yeah. And then if you are ready you can save the configuration. Okay, for the next is there is EIGRP Unicast update. What is EIGRP Unicast update? Normally EIGRP send update using multicast. Yeah, this means all EIGRP enabled router on the link can hear the update on the network that have and agency will process it. Okay, so here the topology is still same. There is 3 routers. Okay, so you can check the before configuration that you can rating debug IP packet detail, and then debug no debug IP packet detail. Yes. Okay, and then the next you can router. You can add router EIGRP 10 neighbor 12.12.12.2 Ethernet 0/0. Yeah, and then for the explaining, and then the next there is router EIGRP 10, and you can add neighbor 12.12.12.1 Ethernet 0/0, and then again neighbor 23.23.23.3 and Ethernet 0/1. For the simple explaining, in this configuration in the router right, there is router EIGRP 10 and the neighbor 23.23.23.2 Ethernet 0/0. As for the explaining, simple explaining, this for the after the configuration you can debug IP packet detail, and in this, so there is information, destination and source. And then if you already done, you can save config that configuration. Maybe that's all from me about EIGRP Unicast update, and then K string, then EIGRP Summarization. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.